Hey folks, this video is going to be just a bit different from my normal recap videos. Usually my recap videos are a little more, edited, trimmed, just very to the point. This one's going to be a little bit longer format, so sorry if I bore you, but this is going to be my process. This is the process that I go through every day. I did it a lot more when I was a newer trader, when I was trying to learn. I would record all of my trading sessions, and then I would go back and rewatch every trade because I want to see in the moment what was I seeing that made me take that trade, exactly what the chart looked like at that moment, what the level 2 looked like at that moment. I think this is the thing that allowed me to improve the most, and so I highly recommend you guys to do the same. So I'm going to take you through kind of that process. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go through all the trades that I took this morning, and we're going to start right at the open. Right now I'm up $51. I was up 51 in pre-market on a swing trade on AMC. And then into the open, C-Rex was really the only thing on the gap scanner this morning. It was only up 24%. The volume wasn't even that great, but it was kind of near the pre-market highs. So yeah, I'm going to play this clip and we're going to watch. And you will hear the sound from the video. I'm going to leave that on just so you can hear what I was saying in the live stream at the time. All right, so let's play this clip. So on a dollar stock, I'm usually looking for about like 1 million shares of volume, at least, in that first minute candle. So I think we get that here. All right, C-Rex.
Let me plug in my stream.
Nice move. So I'm plugging my stream deck. And look at that. Look at that huge order at 175. I didn't even see that on the stream. That is a massive order. So I should already be up. I should be up, I should have got 2 or 3 cents the first pop, another 2 or 3 cents that pop. I mean, look how big that order is. And I think we're going to come down to it again.
Order filled.
So I saw a little
Order
green
filled.
there. I tried to hold for continuation. We didn't get any. Then we come back down to this big order. This is going to be the first time that I see that big order at 175. There, I see it.
Order
That's
filled.
a big fucking order there. So I thought that it just
Holy
got placed
shit.
in the order or in the book,
Order
but it
filled.
didn't.
Nice.
Exited on that pop, so I got about 6 cents. So you can see I'm up now $334. And man, I should have partialed out of that one because holy smokes. So I tried to take
Order
another
filled.
shot. That
Order
order immediately
filled.
disappeared, so I had to get out really
Okay,
quick.
that order got taken
Thank
out real
God.
quick.
Because we flushed. Wow. Okay, guys, we're up 300. Holy shit, that was quick. That was a massive bid. All right, I'm gonna skip through to find the next order. Looks like I took one at 178.
Order filled. Order filled.
So that was a poor execution there. There wasn't a big order to buy into. There wasn't a lot of support below us. I don't really know what I was seeing there. Kind of a weird one.
Oh, little scalps.
All right, we take one into 180 here.
Order
So
filled.
buying into 180
Order filled.
and just took 1 cent on that.
Little scalps right now. Little scalps right now.
And looks like I took a loss up here at 182.
I'm going to be aggressive here, I think. Into 180.
So just gonna pause the video. I see that we have a couple wicks at 182, so I think that's why I was gonna be aggressive, trying to get that high day break. If we were gonna do it, we were probably gonna do it here, and I do agree with my analysis there. So let's see what happens. I mean, obviously it's not gonna work out, but
Order filled.
so when we popped right up to 182, I was
Order
aggressive with the
filled.
buy. Didn't end up getting out until 180.
As soon
So
as
I
we
lost
broke
80
180,
bucks
I was
on
just
that.
like, okay, we're going to rip now.
Hey, if you're watching this, maybe smash that like button, or don't. It's cool, whatever. Fast forward.
Has bid.
Order filled.
Looks like I take another loss here, looking for the bounce. Now this is a silly place to play, and I think I mentioned this in the video. This is just a silly spot to be taking an order. There's no reason after a wick high like that we're going to get a serious bounce. So for me to play a break of 176, which is basically the 50% retracement, it's just kind of stupid. So let's watch here as I get railed. I mean, there's not even a big order there. There's nothing.
Stupid.
Actually, let's go back. What was I seeing? I did see the bid build a little bit. Okay, the bid built, and I think I tried to buy into 175, and it gapped up to 176, so I took another 2-cent loss there. So, you know, these paper cuts, though, if you think about it, I had I think the 182 trade was decent. It was okay. There was one trade back there that was not so good. I lost a cent on that, and then this one was just stupid trade. That was 3 cents. So now that's $120 that are just bad trades, really.
Order filled.
Stupid.
175 is the price. Okay, I got a good one
price.
here at 176. It looks like. So now after we've tested this low again, now we're bouncing back up. Now 176 is a better breakout area.
When bids come in,
Oh,
at
huge
current
bid.
price,
Order
like that
filled.
one,
You
we've
see
been
that bid?
moving up.
Let me replay it. Huge bid's going to come in at 175, which
When bids come in at current price,
Order
like that
filled.
one, we've been moving up.
Order
so
filled.
that was a nice
There we
trade.
go, baby. There we go.
That was 4 cents. That bid's there again.
Oh,
I
I missed
tried to
it.
buy.
Missed it.
Oh, I
Just
missed it. Oh, that would have
guy's
been a
still
nice
there.
another 3 or 4 cents right there.
175 is the price.
We've got a bid below us at 178.
Watching over 180.
Watching over 180, you can hear me say it. Nope, it fails. Okay, so that bid is still there at 175 though.
We tapped it, but watching
I'm
for
just-
continuation off this order. I don't know if I want to buy into it again. Everybody knows he's there.
Yeah, I was a little sketched out to buy into that order, and I think 175 ended up pulling their order eventually, and then we just broke right through it, but it took a while. So let's skip through. Looks like I took another loser up at 180. So that large order was still below us. I was looking for that continuation. Big order at 180.
Order
Bought
filled.
there.
Order
No
filled.
continuation.
Come on.
Took a 2-cent loss there.
No
That's a
continuation
decent
over
trade.
180.
It's a decent trade. Decent
Five
attempt.
is gone. This one, he comes back. We'll be here.
Looks like this one was break even. Another shot at 180.
Order
I'm looking for
filled.
that 180 break. And I had actually been, let me rewind this. I had been waiting for this 180 break for a while. Look how many touches there were. And I said, look, every touch, if I went back and rewinded this, what you would see, and I'll do it, is every touch of 180, we're doing this. We touch 180 and we wick
look
right
at
back
this.
down. So watch it.
Someone's just coming in right before 180 every time. As soon as we stay on 180 for like green into 180, I'm in this fucker. They break way too quick.
Yeah, you can hear me say it in the clip. I'll let him play the clip. So there's 180, right? No green though.
First sign of green into 180, I'm in this fucker. They break way too quick.
See, we keep testing 180. We keep touching it, but there's no green into 180, and immediately
Look at this.
sellers come in at
Someone's just
179.
coming in right before 180 every time.
So
As soon as we stay on 180 for like more than a second, we're gonna rip.
okay, so I don't know if you heard me say that. As soon as we stay on 180 for more than a second or two, we're gonna rip. So let's watch the trade into 180, which I don't know when that is. There it is. Okay, so let's watch. Here we go as we test 180.
Order filled.
I just felt like we had the momentum. It was the tape
Order
that
filled.
changed. Something
We should've
about the
gone
tape
right
changed
away.
there.
We should have blasted off right.
Let's go back and watch that again. Something about the tape, it just sped up. Like we ripped through this 179 order. I just felt like This was the one. Here we go.
Order filled.
Like the tape speed, you know, you see that? And right
Order.
here, that momentum should have carried us right through 181, through 182, up to at least 185, I think. And it didn't. So here I just get out
Should
immediately.
have gone right away.
And you can hear me say,
blasted off right away.
should have gone right away. And thank God I did, because otherwise we would have lost 5 cents. So I was on with that analysis. Let's continue on. I don't know if I take too many more trades. Yeah, this one
definitely
was like a C-Rex was a shot at the low.
BFR.
There it is. So let's go back. I think I saw a large order down at the lows. There's 300. It was bids were building. Bids are building. We see green. I tried to get in.
Order filled.
And I canceled my order halfway through. I only got filled 1,000 shares. Nah, yeah, hindsight, right? Hindsight, I should have held that or kept my order out, but whatever. Nice spot to look for a bounce too. AMC, I realized that I still had part of my partial, sold that for a hefty loss. Whoops. And then I think this is my last trade on C-Rex. Let's take a look.
It's gonna be so it's a little sketch to buy here, but
Yeah, big
yeah,
seller.
we'll see
Volume's
if we can
drying
get
up.
a good setup.
I'm gonna
Good
mute
buying
myself,
opportunity.
but you can see that the volume is drying up. We're only trading 175,000 shares per minute candle, and here's another breakout. Right, we see a bunch of green into 168. Volume picks up, tape speed picks up. I'm in there, and no continuation, so I'm out. I'm not gonna risk it with this low volume because it can be tough to get out if we start to flush. So we're also nowhere near the highs. You know, I'm looking for really quick pops, and that's it. So that's gonna do it. I think that was my last trade on C-Rex. Any other ones were just break even. But at this point, if I bring over my trades, this is my actual trade station here, and we are finishing the day up $300. So it was a good day. And the past couple days, we've seen lots of good momentum. If I pop up my trader view here, this week we're up 100. So yesterday we were up 189. So we'll be up to 500 on the week after today. That'll be nice. And recently, the momentum has been pretty good. You know, we went through that dry spell for about 2 weeks where there was really nothing. There was nothing on the gap scanners. There was no momentum in the markets. It was bad. It was really slow, and the past couple of days it's been really good. So this will be my 4th green day in a row, and a good start to February. So you love to see it. All right, folks. So you know, if this is the first video you're watching, then what you just saw was my live stream from this morning. And I do that every morning from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'll run through the pre-market, what I'm going to watch into the open, and trade with you guys live. So come hang out. And yeah, I think that's going to do it. So hope you guys had a good day today. C-Rex was a nice one early in the day. And I mean, hopefully this momentum continues. We'll have some more opportunities. All right, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.